Hermes plus Obsidian just changed AI agents forever. Every single AI conversation you have ever had is gone. Just gone. The second you close that chat window, your AI forgets your name, your business, your goals, everything. You start over from scratch every single time. And here is the wild part. Most people have no idea this does not have to be the case. There is a free setup that fixes this completely. Not a paid upgrade, not a premium feature. Completely free. And once you see how it works, you are going to wonder how you ever functioned without it. Here is why this actually matters right now. Every day you open a fresh AI chat, you are burning time. Not a little time, real compounding time. Think about how often you paste the same paragraph explaining who you are, what your business does, what your goals are. You do it in ChatGPT, you do it in Claude, you do it in every tool you touch. That is not just annoying. That is actually costing you the one thing AI is supposed to give you back. There is a better way, and almost nobody is using it yet. Stick around, because there is one part of the system I am going to show you later that most people completely miss, and it is the part that makes everything else 10 times more powerful. So let me give you a quick bit of background. The AI agent everyone in the productivity space is talking about right now is called Hermes. It is free, it is open source, and it is genuinely impressive at running tasks for you. Writing, research, planning, automation. The problem is that by default, Hermes is like a brilliant new hire who shows up every morning with no memory of yesterday. You have to brief them from scratch every single time. So the questions are the same, the context pasting is the same, and the answers you get back feel flat and generic because Hermes does not actually know you. Now, here is the piece most people do not know about yet. There is a free note-taking tool called Obsidian that is basically just a collection of organized files sitting on your computer. Simple, lightweight. And when you wire it into Hermes, something genuinely surprising happens. Hermes stops being a tool you use and starts being a teammate who knows you. The very first time you connect your Obsidian vault to Hermes, it can pull a note you wrote 3 months ago and use it to answer a question today. If you want to skip the setup time entirely and just get the whole system handed to you, the AI Profit Boardroom has the full agent operating system built out, the vault template that Hermes loves to read from, and every prompt you need to get this running fast. There are weekly coaching calls where you can share your screen and get your vault wired into Hermes directly. You also get a 30-day shared brain roadmap, so you're not guessing at the order of steps. The link is in the description. If you want to actually do this rather than just understand it, that is the fastest path. In a live test, someone asked their connected Hermes agent what they had been working on last month. The answer came back in seconds, detailed, accurate, grounded in real notes from their actual business. The same question, asked to a standard Hermes setup with no memory connection, took 2.5 minutes and still came back vague. 2.5 minutes versus seconds, and the quality was not even close. That gap is the whole story. And here's what makes it even more interesting. You do not have to write the notes yourself. This is the part people miss. The system feeds itself. Hermes reads your Obsidian vault, does a job for you, and then drops a new note back into the vault with what it just learned. So the next time you open it, it already knows what you shipped yesterday, what you are planning next week, which clients you are working with, and what you tried last month that did not work. The vault gets smarter every single day without you doing anything extra. There's a free open source tool called OMI that can even transcribe your conversations and sync them directly into Obsidian automatically, so your memories are being captured without you lifting a finger. One person in the AI Profit Boardroom community set this up and described it as the moment their AI stopped feeling like a search engine and started feeling like a business partner. Now here is where it gets genuinely interesting and also a little bit wild. You are not just giving Hermes a memory. You are giving every AI agent you use the same memory at the same time. The same Obsidian vault that Hermes reads from can also be connected to Claude, to OpenClaw, to whatever other tools you are running. Which means when you ask Claude something on Monday and ask Hermes something completely different on Tuesday, they both answer from the same set of facts about your business. They stop contradicting each other. They stop sounding like strangers. they start sounding like one teammate who has been with you for years. Most people are running 5 different AI tools that have no idea what the others are doing. This system fixes that, and it is completely free to set up. Now, let me be straight with you about something, because this would not be a fair take if I only told you the good stuff. Setting this up does take a little time up front. If your notes are messy, and most people's are, Hermes can actually organize them for you, but you do have to point it in the right direction first. And the system works best when it is built inside what is called a mission control dashboard. Basically, one place where all your agents live together and can see each other's work. Building that out is not hard, but it is an extra step. The honest truth is that most people will watch this, think it is clever, and then open a fresh blank chat tomorrow and paste the same context paragraph again. Not because they forgot, just because setting something new up feels like effort. The people who actually do the setup this week will have an AI that knows them inside and out by next month. Everyone else will still be starting from scratch. Here is what this actually means at the bigger level. The way most people use AI right now, it is like hiring the smartest assistant in the world and then firing them at the end of every single day. You never let them build up knowledge about you. You never let them get sharper over time. You get the same flat, generic version of AI every morning, and you wonder why it does not feel like a real advantage yet. The missing piece was never the AI itself. It was memory. It was context. It was the thing that turns a powerful tool into something that actually feels like yours. And the fact that you can build this today, for free, before most people even know this combination exists, that matters right now. Not in a year when everyone else has caught up. Speaking of which, if you want to skip the setup time entirely and just get the whole system handed to you, the AI Profit Boardroom has the full agent operating system built out, the vault template that Hermes loves to read from, and every prompt you need to get this running fast. There are weekly coaching calls where you can share your screen and get your vault wired into Hermes directly. You also get a 30-day shared brain roadmap, so you're not guessing at the order of steps. The link is in the description. If you want to actually do this rather than just understand it, that is the fastest path. So here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. What is the one task you repeat every single week that you think an AI with a real memory of your business could finally take off your hands? Not something vague, something specific. Something that would actually change your week if it was handled. Drop it below. I read every one. One more thing before you go. Remember how I said at the very beginning that every AI conversation you have ever had is just gone? After today, that does not have to be true anymore. And if you want the full process, every SOP, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It is free. Link is in the comments and description. You will get all the notes from this video, plus access to a community of 75,000 people who are already building this stuff. Everything you learned today, that was just the beginning.